Microsoft just dropped a new announcement. You can now actually download Windows 11 experimental channel ISO files. What does that mean? It means that you can actually download Windows 11 27H2, Windows 11 26H2, and Windows 11 26H1, the preview build ISO files. Previously, there were no option to download the ISO files for Canary, but now Microsoft is officially giving you the permission to download all the ISO files from their official site. First of all, you just open a browser and search for Windows Insider Download. And here is the first link. Download Windows Insider Preview ISO. Just open it. And in this page, you'll have to log in or create a Microsoft account. Just click in here and log in. When everything's done, your name or photo will be there, and just scroll. And here you'll find the ISO section. Just click in the drop down. Here you can see every build ISO file is there. Now here is the most important part. If you want to download the future platform, that is maybe Windows 11 27H2 or Windows 12, you gotta download the 29000 series. And if you want to download Windows 11 26H2, you gotta download the day build, that is 26300 series. So to make sure that you're using Windows 11 26H2, after installing, just go to settings and then Windows Update, and then go to update history, then scroll and go to uninstall updates. And here you see Windows 11 26H2 Insider Refresh is there. That means an enablement package for Windows 11 26H2 is installed inside Windows 11 25H2. Maybe if you just go to Winver and it shows you're using Windows 11 25H2, but in uninstall update section you can see Windows 11 26H2 enablement packages there. And now, if you want to download Windows 11 26H1, you just select the future platform, that is 28000 series, best one. So just select any one of them and then click on confirm. And now just choose your language and then click on confirm. And if you just click and download, your download will be started. But before downloading, make sure that you know very well this part. Since this is an experimental part and development channels, bugs may be there. Some features may never release. Before installing, make sure that every data is backed up, because in this process, you may lose every data from your computer. And now let me tell you who should install this. It's not recommended in a main computer. It's only recommended to test the new features if you're a tech enthusiast, if you have secondary PC. All these conditions are applied to install this build. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Sudama Lab, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.